Bangarang, I tell you, say problem there. Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. I said, don't you trouble Zion. People me tell you, say Bangarang there, you know. Problem there. See the color when me have purple. Don't you trouble Zion. Problem there, my people. Problem there. Problem in the camp. Problem, disagreement in the camp. Everybody are run down power in the camp. Cause them realize that the leader for the camp can't read and write. So the one them can read and write, them are dislike some who in the camp. Although some in the camp can't read and write either. But them join the camp because them are look something from the camp. Because word was out that them visit 99 already for assistant and 99 never give them the assistant, and that's the main reason why them find a camp for join. And me a talk the old man face one from down a country where favor some heap from down a musty Montego Bay when name Angela Cartoon 1000. Hey, Pop Tory tell me, girl come on social media and poor platform. The platform poor, boy. You want house, you want bar for stock out, you want food for heat, or you come on live enough time come cost down and you're hungry. Lord, don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. Speak my mind, people. I want to know what to do. Continue to do the do. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. What I say? And remember, the Young Entrepreneur College student link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section pin. Just hit subscribe when you hit the link and give her a subscription. When you subscribe to her, go in our description and you will see our Instagram business page and our website. Go support her, help her to help fund her tuition fee. She not come beg no handout. You understand? And the subscription, it not cost you no $1. Just hit it. It not cost you nothing. You not lose no data, waiter, gigabyte, figabyte, cigabyte, or no farmer byte. You understand? Just hit the subscription button and get a subscription. Me like when I see over the past 2 days when I come out come beg, you know. Continue to do it that way if you have not yet subscribed to our channel. And please remember also to continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Alright? That channel is family oriented, positive channel. Okay? Cook vlog, drama, outdoor cooking, adventure to come, you know, commentary and a little bit of news here and there, and a little bit of drama. Sometimes the drama can be rated PG, but you will see it in the title that it is rated PG, so you don't have your little one beside you listening or watching that video. Okay? And remember, you ask for it, you get it. The Cash App also pinned in the comment section. You ask for it to give me, and I'm going to use the gift that you give to me and give back to somebody else. Okay? Not saying I'm going to just walk and get anybody. Needy person who is in need. You understand? If it's in a $10,000 bag of grocery at the end of the month. Okay? Whether that person is a young student going to primary school or high school and can't afford lunch money, at least the coming month after him get that $10,000. It will do well for him to have lunch money to go to school for the following month. And if it's a old person, at least them have a 10,000 bag of grocery can stop a gap. It might not much, but it will stop a gap. Many days they might go hungry. They know at least when them get that $10,000 bag of grocery, it will save them from go hungry a couple of days. Alright? And if it's even a young person fall on hard times because of some reason, they will still get that 10,000 bag of grocery once I can prove that they are in need and not greed because of circumstances. Alright, people, I might have to go indoor to do this video because music are playing in front of me, music are playing next door me, and I'm trying to get to the person playing next door me, but he's not hearing me, so I might have to go indoor and do this video. So I just do the entry outside because these pod cover would be too loud inside my house. Zion, don't you trouble Zion. Hungry belly girl from down a country named Angela Cartoon 1000. Don't you trouble Zion. We know when you don't have no motive, man. When you don't have no motive or no intention or so you come on social media. Yes man, big dunce but like you will come and expose that you're dunce and you're hungry because all the way you have on your life prove that you're really dunce. It's not just word talk. You're dunce. That's how it says someone are the dunces. We dunce over here so but you know the dunces. You understand? Because you never know there's a poor platform you go upon where can't help you for build one board house. You never know so one poor platform you go upon where can't even stack your bar. Eh? As the woman said, she never knows that you come over here for. Okay, but me did know. Say, I suck me you go over there for because me listen to one live what you do already. And it was evident that I sitting here look. But Lord, never did I carry it forward come here. Stay tuned, my people. So my people, me I go make you hear Hungry Belly Angela 1000. We have a platform and full of so much mouth. Have to say. And then after you hear what she say. Me make you hear we are boss have to say. So stay tuned and listen what I go on here so.
Platform, when we look when you're behind the scene, me can't listen to them, me can't hear them, me head gone, me don't want to hear what they're saying, I'm not listening to nobody on social media. Once a while me go cross flex, once a while me come here listen to real life.
Hungry no nice you know. Once no nice.
They show me something and then me still a fight.
Worse when you build your hopes and it no work. Hungry time. Hungry I do all of this you know.
I get too addicted to that social media thing. When me used to just come out make me little dance and make me little this.
You never know, but you feel like you could have earned something. The little board house and me I beg you for build a whole long. For the planker you get that long time.
No goods, not in there, not in there, just empty, dirty. Am I benefiting something from off the platform?
Wanna hear that my people? Look at my bar. Nothing in there, it's empty. The bar dirty. If the bar is even empty, it shouldn't dirty. And nasty, you're nasty. And this is why you don't want nowhere properly for rent. Although you can't afford nowhere properly. You understand? And that's why you shouldn't come by your phone and show the little broke down toilet seat. Because as me say, a nasty, a nasty. If you never nasty, you could have take one little $1,000 or $1,500 and buy a toilet seat if you complain about it. Because the rent where you pay for the little piece of roof over your head no value nothing. And you a shit by the toilet. So you could have buy the seat for even $1,500 or $1,200 because them they have $1,000. And you pass through many Christmas pan at the toilet seat there where you have hardware have whole heap of sale out. You could have go buy one. Nasty and nasty. Come man, chat up your mouth man. Hungry I'll lick you.
Alright, this is the way you're right, you know. New cement. I don't understand this, because there's nothing at that. When I said do not trust your own, the Lord said. If you tell me, say the Lord said to work and have your own flesh and blood. But when you said to me down there, so now, I don't see where it come true for you to a Bible verse. So that's why I say me don't even want to watch all the comments. When I see how me bad, I go to school and I can't read, watch that. That's something I say, God teach me. Yeah?
Even people like who love call upon God. He's probably a street smart girl, and for your street smart, you can count two little words. So not talk about you not going to school and you're dunce and see them you can't read. That not cover up for your dunceness. Because if you never dunce, you wouldn't go on a platform like that and carry on the way you carry on and behave the way you behave. Look at all me. Look how me I live nice. Look how me I live sweet. Look how me comfortable. Whoa! And me, you're in a phone one size up. Eh? Not to mention the top them. Me I want like a small fry where you can't compete with. Me can stack your barrel 50 times right now. And when I say stack, I mean one bottle of rum and one half case of Jack and a half case. Me can stack your bar right now. When I say real stack. And me you want size up and you a come on phone and talk about watching my bar empty every day me dey on live. And my bar all dirty. So Lorraine live you didn't want to stack your bar. Lorraine bar you didn't want to stack out and build house gear. Favor me don't know if you say the wrong thing you did that do.
So that's the part where you come with the Bible now. You will not come now, maybe tell you, me bad, me no go to school and me can't read. Watch that. That's something
Listen again.
God teach me. Yeah?
Boy,
So that's the way you...
every time when you tie up in a rope and tie up in a hand's nest on a ball out, God, God, God. But when you not do all kind of deeds, where is against the rules and laws of God and the Bible, or you not think that way there? Oh, no, no, vex now. But we know what is boiling. Oh, no, not have to vex like you not cuss. But you are pretty tough now because what? Just like how Lorraine tried to keep it down with Sophie. Yeah. But it going to come out more on this, man. It going to get more heated. Fire go light. Yes, I go in it.
Me no secret for me. Me no have no secret for them. Me and them no chat nobody. Them and me no chat nobody. When me attack, I me fuck, me suck, me chew, me charm, me bite, me lick, me eat, me. And them we talk about. So me no have nothing for Vesty. Me no have nothing for Lorraine. Me no have nothing for Bob. Me no have nothing for Michelle. I have nothing and them nothing. And they have nothing and me.
One thing I know, the one in the festive, she get you out. So when you go say, you don't have nothing upon her and you know hate her in this, me know otherwise, because as she come get out you. And all because me hear say she have $2 you don't have none, because look, you come and look something. And now that it now work out, and you realize say, it's like them a force you out of the picture. It's like you start get wise when it's too late, because you get wise when your bar run down. Then you not spend the time in your bar. You get wise when your bar want clean. And your bar dirty. You get wise too late.
We never have no business or nothing to sit down and talk about. And that's why when we sit down and look into it now and when we hear this is one here, say the one they say, the one they say, the one
YouTube. I look at
say.
music in the background, I can't help it, as you know. But me I talk over vibe. Well, YouTube, the man give me a blind and turn off his music, you know. Tell him, say me I beg him half hour, so. That's how we live in our community, you know. Yeah. You don't have to gossip and sit down and gossip with people. You just live loving and live good. So if a man reach out to you for your assistant, you assist him. You reach out to him and assist you. You don't have to sit down and gossip with him. You don't have to sit down and chat people business like them in a phone. Alright? Let's go on. Continue the business of social media. Corruptions.
I'm telling you why I'm not on social media. You see Sophia? You see Sophia?
You see why I'm telling you say trouble there? Problem.
You see one of the Sophia, Lorraine, Michelle, Bob. It is not right. Me not go find a bloody platform, go talk nothing. And my platform me I use. What I do to...
And you go say, you know, vex and you know, have nothing to do with them. So with this disagreement now, you feel like all of those names that you call are going to sit down and I tolerate you? People, as me say, you know, will hear what the boss have to say. And tell me if this not trouble. Problem there, man. Problem there. But as me say, don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. You see the color when I come with purple. Purple is something where you deal with that funeral. Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. Oh.
Sophia is not right. Carla, we are calling for the platform about Sophia in a right. People who are commenting on the live, it's not right. It's not right. Sophia is a dumb animal. Master, God forgive me to call her animal. But
no, sir. If you are pick up for me and you style me despite you pick up for me and you're on my side as a dumb animal, you couldn't find nothing else to compare me with more than a dumb animal? You know disgraceful that is when somebody says he's a dumb animal? No, sir. No. You couldn't compare me, sir. I mean satisfied with that and okay with that. No.
I can tell.
But you're done still.
We don't tell nobody on social media nothing and it don't come to pass or it don't come true. We tell them say when God talk me have to move.
God. What I tell you?
After me done, remember, say me I don't have nothing, you know.
After this video, you must have something.
Me don't say me and Sophia and Lorraine them have nothing, you know. We don't have nothing.
You will have something now after this video, yeah.
Me don't say me and Lorraine them have nothing. They don't have nothing. on the face of the ground and the sky and the up above. My hands, my heart are clean against you people. But God said I have to go and do my own. You're not Lorraine.
So I want to know, my people. Honestly no. So where these people continue to use God as scapegoat, because them come out and them do all them deeds where them want to do. And then when attack claps come and trouble there, problem come, fire their must steal. You know? Them come out and it's just all about God. It come like the politician them, you know. Them have a style where whether the opposition or the present ruling government, them come out and them say some derogative things. And after them say what them have to say, corporate Jamaica, the private sector in a whole, and people in society comes out against what them say and asks them to retract the statement. You understand? It not look good. Some all call for resignation. They know that what them say. Them did get a backlash from the private sector and corporate in a whole and people in high places. But what? All them have to do is come out, come apologize. But guess what? The message they want to get out there already get out there to the public. About that man, that woman, that man. It already get out there to the public. So with them come and I make a little apology. Okay, I retract the statement and I apologize. You retract it when you're done putting in the ears of thousands of people. And out of the thousands of people, hundreds of them are followers. Hundreds of them are done spot. It's just like you know. When you come out, I want to say all kind of things. I want to put it out there in the atmosphere. And then now, when you don't have trouble brewing between you, you never know, so if you put God before and God in between and God side and God behind at all times. When you not do on the foolishness and on the deeds. You never put God in front, side of you, back of you, and in front of you when the pressure come down. Because them say pressure bust pipe, or no pipe I go soon bust. So it's all about God know. Because it's just about uno. When you know make other people suffer from things you know say and do, it not come in like nothing to you.
Michelle not feed, me Bob not feed, me Bessie not feed, me not live off of them, they not doing nothing for me. So me have to go left me bar now and sit down and do live and do this and do that. And me bar empty and dry to work now, not even look me can't find the food in there. And me not get paid for the social media. Me and get paid for do this and this pay me rent and this pay me life.
When you find out that, how long now you do this? When you find out that, people no can go search a video, me tell you, I sit this a girl you look, And as people reach out to me and said, this a girl reach out to Dana already for help. And she never get it. Because me never know about this a girl until I go back and do one video, a defense alone, As so me do one video for the first time I hear about this a girl, You understand? So somebody made it even know like that. And people reach out and say the girl did check Dana already for assistant and through Dana no give her it. That's why she behave this way. And me come and me tell her say I sit the girl I look because after me look and switch past she rent a pay almost $4,000 or $7,000 a month for rent. And then come and expose toilet. We want one toilet seat. Young hot girl like you can't buy one toilet seat for $1,200 or $1,500 put pan and you go sit down on it. Sit down, make that squeeze here then, man, and pinch out your daylight and soar up your bleaching body where you have. When me look and see the camera catch one little bed now and corner, not even the bed them down a prison and look so. If she hear a man knock her door and I try to kick it off, not even on the bed she can't go hide because the bed up on the ground. I mean, I talk about these modern days bed where I make, where say you don't have no foot, the base just up on the ground flat. I forgot how them call them bed there. Me I talk about one whole jalopy. When you're looking at the middle of the bed, it come like when you go up no firm gully, Mount Rasa, and you see the hill stay so, then you go down in it so, and then you come back up in it so, and go down in it so, I saw the bed stay. So you know not even the mattress no good. And a them you come on phone, a deal and a criticize and a try to disgrace people who live so not even an inch or 2 inch better than them, you know, a whole hand better than them. Cause look at all me now. My latest king size bed and my daughter sleep tonight come December make 2 years. And me still asleep in a little old queen size one. And it don't look like your own. And me a plan to change it now. You understand? Because me a man and you don't know, so after a certain time, and you start feel like a lower pain or so, them tell you to change your mattress. So you can't come for my mattress and me soon throw away. Me never want to throw it because me a man, I like throw things because I know people out there worse off than me. And this is why I probably never change it because I want to find somebody who probably say, boy, okay, yes, them in need, and I can't say, boy, alright, if you don't want it, you can't get this, you know. You understand? Not going to just give you unless you accept it. And it's in a good condition. Me not no baby a piece out nothing. You understand? I'm in a piece bed. My mother said me top piece bed from me, I must say about 9 months. You understand? Oh, me no piece bed and crib. So a long time me top piece bed. I me never ever dream say me want piece. I'm piece in my bed. I me no drink for junk, cause me no drinker, so me can't drink for junk. If you go in and say, boy, me piece up my bed. You understand? I me no live now where me afraid. When my bathroom out the door, couple steps away from my room, when me afraid to go out go piss, I me have to piss in my bed. You understand? Okay.
This game me water it, me let you know and take over all the time on social media. When the people come for rent, I show them me out. Me depend me on people that come to me for rent. That when me don't owe them rent, then come and tell lies and me worry.
Well, you didn't owe the man while you're not pretty up nothing. That's why the man had give you notice. He don't lie itself.
Right. When I see one other to Sophia, when I see when Michelle.
You want to spend money for your personal use in the man place and the man for retract that from him rent. Where? A year comfort. Whatever you spend it for. Not on the man property itself. Just like if you don't want a toilet seat, you go buy it. You don't want to reduce that to the man rent. You get a toilet seat and you did see where you get into your rent the place. So it's either you take it or you leave it. Or you know you're going to buy one that suits your ass. Because remember now, you know, you don't want to bruise, you don't want to scratch. Because you're bleaching.
Lorian, Bob, doing to Sophia, you don't need to stop. I'm seriously mean son of a stop. That girl you don't deserve no name, won't have call her.
But you just a give her one while ago, dumb and
not this, no typing, no texting. Wanna say I give to Sophia, that is unfair for social media. That is unfair.
You and Sophia in the same category, you know, that's how I get Sophia so.
You and Sophia whole conversation? No. Michelle, you and Sophia sit down and chat? You and Sophia whole conversation? No. Bobby and Sophia sit down and chat? You and Sophia whole conversation? No. So wanna text it for the woman, for wanna done for the woman, for wanna name up the woman, for wanna get the woman, for wanna want to kill the woman, for.
Hey, when me listen to the video where the boss come out, you know, see me how she come out cool and collective for Sophie, with the Sophie a duck, I condole the bath suit woman, the sexy woman, yeah, the good shape woman, yeah, fire burning, and she keep it low and calm because she don't want, you know, yeah. I see where the boss come out just calm, you know, but me know, as soon as me hear, me shit bracha, the speaker of the house, you understand, the walking cemetery comes out, it's not going to be nice. Me can't wait for you that every day, even if it's gone yet. Because me have to buck up in a them, you know.
This woman, the Lady V, you, Miss Lady V, everything that Sophia say in her life about you, it's true and right.
Oh, you know, you have proof and evidence?
It's true and right. I would prefer to go on Maxine side more than Lady V. I mean, I go for nothing, neither Maxine or Lady V. Neither Maxine or Lady V.
Sophia live in England. Lady V live in which part of Antigua. So all you know everything that Sophia said is truth and right about Lady V. You see, me I try to show you say when the thing done in a favor, it's okay. I mean it's wrong, you know. Once I in a phone favor or phone liking and it's okay phone, fine, no problem there night. But once it go against on a favor, you have big problem with it. And that me can't understand we don't know.
I'm not into nothing. Lorian, I want to read so far down in a Lady V. Michelle, are you read so far up in a Lady V? Bob, are you read so far up in a Lady V? Cartoon can't go in there. We cuss Lady V. We cuss Lady V. We're not supposed to have no card show or no talking with Lady V. Lady V, I come off a planka. Not talking, we're not supposed to in there with Lady V. Not talking. I hello and bye, cause God say to feed your enemy with a long spoon. Lady B, go and give it to Uno. Michelle.
Michelle, go and give it to you. You wait.
Is she on? Mark my word. Mark my word with this 19 person and my life when I share that life when I'm done. Just to remember what Lady B is going to give to you, girl. Lady B. Michelle, what make you hear? Sophia. I mean, my talking, no people, no close.
Michelle, what make you eat Sophia?
I mean, I have no.
Michelle not only eat Sophia, Michelle eat you too.
Hate me, rub me out, dash me out, spit me out, I will never answer none of you guys. If don't write this up, I mean, I will trace it, my friend them. But if you don't want to cut me out, you don't can cut me out. Because, this is same how me attack, I saw no cut out Sophia. Just how me attack, I saw no cut out Sophia. And just how me attack, I saw no cut me out. Because what
Don't you trouble Zion.
when Sophia do you not do her, you not deal with her, so have all for your platform make keep that calling at this Sophia. Lorraine, you know how Sophia love you? Lorraine, you know how Sophia love you? Hey Lorraine, you know how Sophia love you? Do not uphold with what Michelle said. Michelle not like her.
What you mean don't uphold what Michelle said? Come like this girl, you don't realize the position of Michelle own on the platform, the speaker of the house. What position you hold on the platform? You ever hear the owner for the platform refer to you when she call you? All she do is say, cartoon come true. Cartoon come true, because he's a freaking cartoon. So just come true. You understand? When she refer to the cemetery woman, Miss Chick Bradshaw, them say she have 7 toes. I don't know how she balance on her foot. You understand? Because me hear about false foot and then something, I never hear about false toe. You understand? When she are calling and introducing that lady, that woman, that girl, she said, Speaker of the House, come to me, she not address you, sir. So you mean?
Like Lady B. Michelle like Lady B, me like Michelle. So how it go? Just ordinary. Do not uphold with what Michelle said. Do not uphold. Lorraine, you know, see me you feel Sophia, you know. You know, see me you feel Sophia. Then how you come now, make some little people when I want boy and Sophia come and dig where you and Sophia.
Lorraine, you know listen to this, you know. Lorraine, you know say me and you build Sophia, you know. Lorraine, you know say me and you, listen, you know. Lorraine, you know say me and you build Sophia, you know. Lorraine, you know say me and you build Sophia, you know. The previous video when me do with Sophia, who remember when Lorraine said she know who they behind this? Where Sophia do. Who remember, who are listening? I'm saying any of my keen listeners, because all the pound keen, because sometimes I say something in a drama when you comment in it, you know. One time I say I want to start give a prize. So anybody hear that little, you know, special part of drama that in the video and can highlight it, get a prize. So we know no keen listener. Who did hear in the previous video when Lorraine said she know who they behind this? So with what she say now, Lorraine, remember me and you build Sophie. The happenings in the previous video with what Sophia do, Lorraine comes out and talk in the video. So that simply means, Lorraine I do not know. So when Lorraine gonna make the statement and say, she know who they behind it. Simple, see it there? 1, 2. We no need for going to courthouse. 1, 2, right out of courthouse door we try the case. Save taxpayers' money! Nobody try the case in a court when it's easy if you try right out a road. Cartoon. A cartoon Lorraine attack. 1, 2, 3. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Bang, 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 bang. Easy as 1. And then you are going to tell me say trouble not there? You come and talk about problem not there? And you're not vexing nobody? As me say, you wait till me shit batcha come out. Anyway, my people, me gonna listen where the boss have to say no. This are the worker. We end up not get no pay. That she leave where bring her daily bread come. You understand? That's why I tell you say me not leave my daily bread for social media. Because I not sit down and wait till YouTube pay me. Because in order for YouTube pay me, you have to watch and support the video and support the channel. While my personal business that bring my daily food and pay my daily bills, I have control of it. Because if me there and me see a customer not coming, all me have to do is go in at something where seasonal, where customer will come. Alright? So she sit down did a wait for social media money from Lorraine. Probably think supporters did I go support her with all her foolishness what she a do. And send money come. Give Lorraine for give her. Cash up, dash up and Zelle and Pretty Scream and Stars. Or she expect Lorraine to give her money from what she a gain from the channel. But what Lorraine is gaining from the channel? Me no see Lorraine gain nothing from the channel. Me no see nothing. One, Lorraine love delete. So me no see where Lorraine again. But anyway, listen out for hear what the boss have to say. Cartoon. All house a crumble. All house a crumble. The whole house a crumble. Zion a do it. We have to welcome the boss, you know. The boss is on the runway. We now welcome Lorraine Cracker Teeth. Rotten Teeth. Down to the forum. Okay? Listen up.
Where I must start from, so much to talk about, right? So much to talk about, right? Alright. Where may I start from? Cartoon. Cartoon, my sister, still be my sister.
Pretty it up, bossy. Pretty it up. Try hold the clan together. Pretty it up. Me understand. You're the head, so you have to try hold the clan together.
Programming me. Michelle cannot program me. Michelle don't own me. Michelle not have no secret for me. You understand? We all have a mutual understanding and respect for each and every one. That's Lorraine. That's me. You understand? But don't believe I was somebody program me or somebody do this to me or somebody do that to me. No. As simple as when you see me out there go on and carry on, I am a peaceful person. I don't like war. War is ugly. War is ugly. And where I can ball peace, I will ball peace. I am a growing woman and I stand by myself. You understand? I appreciate everyone I want. I appreciate Michelle. I appreciate
Fix it.
Baba,
Fix it.
Festival,
Try second the drugs.
Cartoon.
Try second the drugs.
All of the commenters.
Train it fine.
People when me sick, I want to still check on me. All of you. Me no love none more than none. You understand? I treat the whole of you the same way. Love. If me I go to Jamaica, and me bring things for Cartoon. If me I go and Michelle, me I go pack up things bring for Michelle. That's me. Anywhere me go, I show love. And if you have a problem with me, Cartoon, I think you should have given me a call. The way you done it was wrong. But that's okay. That's how you feel like justified. That's okay. Nothing wrong with what you do. It is just done wrong. And again, my platform you see here, so Cartoon, it don't collect money. None at all. You may see star there, the sign star. You know much night me chat and not even 50 star. How the people them understand how me feel already. Say, okay, you don't have to kill yourself to give me star.
No, man. Don't preach up that part there. Don't preach up that part there. You just feel like you're doing a great job carrying down charities. You feel like you're doing a great job trying to tear down the woman of 99. You know? The woman that live in Jamaica, third world country, only in a first world country, on a run left the third world country for much years and no plan to come back here. Someone can't come back here. Someone can't afford to come back here. And someone have nothing to come back here. So, when you are going to say, the people them know how you feel and no. You just feel like your platform has been supported for what you do. It not support. You understand? Majority of who over there is not indulging what you are doing. They are just here to hear you expose yourself. You know, in the manner where you expose yourself to prove, say, these are people that is out there and in your surrounding. So you have to be vigilant. Because you can't sit down and wait till something happen to you then you learn, you know. You have to learn off our next man mistake. So you see the man that choose to go make feel mistake and make you can learn and fight. Remember never you send him go make the mistake, you know. Him go make it. But what? The good thing about it, them saying everything, everybody have good come out of it. You can have, you can afford, if you are sensible, to learn off of his mistake. Because probably you might be going down that same road where that man travel one at a time. You understand? And realize, no, this road is not the right road. You remember, said John, they jump off of the bridge.
My page not built for that. I mean, if a sister want call me as a Lorraine, the phone of you today, I want to buy your juice, me I send you $100, or me I send you $50. No problem. You understand? Like when I come out and tell you, say, when me done with the red shirt, when me did print, a sister said, no more, you print one yellow one, and send me $50. I come out and say, but my platform have no money. So cartoon, oh, you're going to leave your bar to come sit on the internet with no money no there. That makes sense.
Bar for run down and get dirty. Nasty.
That don't make no sense. You said that the people.
She hears some money I dash up on internet. And it boils right back down to red. Because you see where at my cross, the main road, where you take, if you go to airport and go anywhere uptown Mountain View, yeah. So she did try join your platform to see if the same thing could have happened over there. But God not like ugly. And you born ugly, cartoon. If me ugly like you, I beg God ring out my face and put it for sun. Cartoon, pretty looks done. And you no get none. Remember that. God not like ugly.
I go look at you like you're stupid. I mean know you're not stupid, cartoon. You're a very smart woman. Me and you can't read and write, but nobody no fool we. We're very smart. So you shouldn't even say that. That is a low blow. So let me ask you, cartoon, was it a pain calling show you look?
Right.
Because then me that direct you where to go.
I couldn't 99 they got the record to don't get bright. Cause she try to receive and because it not work out. You understand? And so she find her way over you. And she did try me here if we go over must say Andre. Or did they over Andre and the same thing. You understand? So I couldn't over 99 year plan for send her. And she want a paid platform because she want a house. She want somewhere to live. Because every day, if you go lease one piece of land, a whole heap of land down a country where a waste, where somebody who might own it, might glad for lease a piece because them have no other plan see it. Or you can go capture a piece. All you do not put up no concrete structure where you have to lick down. Put up something where you can move. It mobile. So if the owner come in or government come in and say, watch me want me land, you can pull it down and move to somewhere else. So me tired because so yes, she did want to go on a paid platform. Because she want can stack out her bar. She want can build a little boardhouse and have somewhere landlord now if it come up throw her out every minute. You understand? Simple as that. So yes, she did want to play for. Me answer you because she might not want to answer.
And this is you just make me believe that and me not disrespect you, me just come based on what you say. You understand? Based on what you said. That was low. You shouldn't even mention that. But we done this. It made me couldn't think. I couldn't even think Sarah called turn on my life. You understand?
She give you the reason why she go over Lady V channel people. So I'm going to let you hear the reason why she go over there. Because this is cause a controversy. This is one of the things that cause a controversy.
Let us face reality.
Not just this, but the whole fire burning and when Sophia come out from set.
And Jay come out and disrespect me. When come out and disrespect me to the lowest ground, say me sick him stomach. Lady V say me must stink. When say me sick him stomach, me this and me nasty and me that.
Probably
What's
it's your
the
behavior.
difference
Your
with
behavior doesn't
Andre
sick
and
anybody's
Lady?
stomach, honestly.
What's the difference? So if me not fi call, fi tell Lady V thank you. Oh, your sister me did show Maxine love and the last time you disrespect me. No, me glad you say who is the demons. Why not that? That means I'm not a friend. That means me and a friend. Only so dark.
If you're not stepping in the ant's
So
belly,
all
you
your
can't see why
comfortable
not
go
people. You have to
Which
step
me
into
have
the
a
ant's
problem.
belly.
We just a reference. Say the two of them. You understand? I mean, never one day tell us that don't go over there. If you go over there, me not talk to you. No, you're free to go where you want to go. That's the problem we have on the internet. People free to go where they want to go. Flex, me not call your name in this with no war. You understand? No war at all. We just go refer something. Flex did threaten me and Michelle life. But everybody comfortable same way go over there go call. Don't it?
Everybody
Which
you
one
seek
worse?
alliance. Everybody you seek allied. Yes,
Which
that's
one
it.
worse? For somebody threaten your life,
The whole one who seek alliance and a seek
you
alliance, so
understand,
no
and
go
again,
anywhere.
I'm going to say this clear
Once
and loud.
that over there, so
What
against over
Lady
here,
B,
so.
B
No
said
matter what
about the
them did
cake
to in the
poisoning,
past.
I don't stand with it, but I will not comment on it. I don't stand with it, but I will not comment on it. Why? I get to understand the net. Since as a freedom of speech, me and her no friends, so she couldn't tell me to put poison or nothing. Lady V never know me I go England, and no like me and her friends say, Lady V, me I go England. No. You understand? I will not
It was
comment.
just a figure of speech.
Simple. The internet's a freedom of speech.
Boy, people, the great King Stereograph, you know, say a two road away from me it come from. You know, the late great Daddy Uri sound. I tune up, I don't know if it have a data or what, but boy, it give me a problem because the breeze blow the whole of the sound come that side here. So me have to pause every minute.
That the producer you say to right? Freedom of speech.
Great King
Right?
Stereograph.
For me,
The late great
I think
Daddy
when you come down
Uri.
for Michelle too ash. But this is the devil. Anytime, and I thought this
Well,
all
I
the
know
time.
that.
Anytime the devil see me with
Well, I know that.
somebody who
So
grounded
that is
to
it, you know.
steer,
Who are the bigger one?
this is the fight.
So now I continue to tear and fight
I
and
realize
crab with
it.
one another.
I realize it. Every time I go under attack, as somebody who, like your mind, I say, that woman, that person, I get too much of lore.
So jealousy, lure. Whoa.
That
Them
person I
jealous
get
of
too
a
much of
lure.
I think when you come down pan her too ash.
Them want to take lure from Steve.
It's the truth.
Lure coming like a she a Eve. Laura Eve, them want to take her from Steve.
It's the truth. After me done it tonight, that's it. Me think gonna come down on her too harsh. It was unfair. She never deserved all of
Think
it.
you no
She
say
never
nothing yet?
deserved it.
I don't think you no say
Because at
nothing
the
yet.
end of the day, we can't tell people how them feel. So she feel from day one.
I don't know say nothing
understand?
yet, man.
I go to Sophia and eat food and was bawling out, say pepper. But me go back and serve food nice. And I will still say it tonight, say it nice.
Yes! Because when you're not hypocrite, you know, we still say things because you don't want to expose yourself. So you know, we still say things and stick out on what you say because you don't want to lower on the standard. Because you're not hypocrite. You understand? Yeah. Who if you tell if the food is nice? You just saying it nice. Until you already did say it nice. You don't want to come now to that little something here. If you come say, boy, it never nice and it this and it tastes like bottle slush and ray. Because you're going to look away now. And as the platform holder, you don't want to look no way. And that's why you behave so nice and like you're nice. You know? You're not nice, man. We know say you're not nice. You act over the ears, make we know say you're not nice.
When Bobby dep on the live, I
The
know
name
that
of the
them
call,
call
the Gally Shine, Bobby
Sometimes
Shine.
I know. It's just him alone understand me. Me text him ask him if he good.
Babisha, Galisha, must say the same. Call your boss, so can you give him a personal
Turn me
number?
ending up publicly. Me give Bobby him one number. Say call me on that number.
That's why I feel like you're boss him everywhere.
If you want to
boss,
say something
boss,
on
boss.
Call me, yes, sir. Come on, a full time we grow up. We're jealousy for.
Dirty CMSO TV, who them say allegedly owned by Tina Chin and nasty Tina Chin. This is who you have to talk about, the Babisha we shall talk about. We sit down, we don't own a platform and laptop night and day, 24 hours a day with woman, I carry down another woman. Even if we talk about what's too easy, it's no problem.
I still pay my one, I'm not working, I pay my one. Me no get pay yes, so. So you shouldn't even say that. That was a low blow. I can't stack your bar. Me can't go take Steve one stack your bar. When me have my bills to pay.
She do I use the channel, man. The supporters ask them for money for gear. Because she see it go on over.
That was low. And I sense it in a cartoon. I sense it. Me tell you, me I go up in a God, so God has show me little. I sense it.
Hallelujah. Yo, Shalom Shanda. What she sends?
3 times. You know why I call it 3 times? I always give somebody 3.
We know what the number 3 means.
Call it 3 times.
So that's why you call her 3 times. You always something on a site.
When I call you,
why you call her 3 times? You love the people 3.
I'm not gonna lie. Your answer.
We know what 3 is, people. Especially Jamaican people, they will love lottery, and love cash back, and the one time some of them call drop on. You know what 3 means.
Then if you know sir God take you from the platform, you should have said, because God not like a liar.
Everything we talk about God,
Lorraine, you know
I know a liar already.
I need a little time because God at work for me. He said, I rest little, I move from the platform little. So give me a little time. Bet me see which way I'm going to swing me. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. We are big people. Me have to understand that and still love you the same. I respect you even more. Nothing wrong with that. Or if you think the life will pick up your time where it will drag your business away, say, Lorraine, look here. I'm not going to come on the live, you know. You understand? I don't like, but that's why I'm glad when I set the platform. Thank you, Jesus. Say, I don't call nobody and say, call in. The live will go and call in.
Oftentimes you do that. Oftentimes you call people and set them up for calling. Oftentimes you say, Michelle, me I come on live now, come in, more you come talk about this, wait. Where? Enough time you call her Michelle, they have an idea how we are going, and you have to kind of enlighten her, and she say, okay, me go check it out and come back, come call you and talk. Where? And it is evidence that Cartoon leave the platform because she realized what she expect, she not get it, and then she see the fight we are going with one named Feces, not Feces. You understand? The one that lately joined when named Feces. Who know a show about cartoon character for Feces. Because them say Feces allegedly have a few dollars. I don't know what truth is, I'm just saying. So, who know a show about cartoon for Feces. Cartoon realized that, and then now Cartoon see so also a show about the donkey. You understand? So Cartoon just use the opportunity to tell you say boy XYZ, and she back down out of the platform for a while, not calling in. You call her because you want to find out what going on. I just say you call her 3 times because you know say something must have gone on because I know she that. But she refused, so I'm explaining to you. But now she can't take it anymore. She take to her platform. Yeah, she say? She make sure not go on nobody else's platform. She come on fear platform, so you can't say she go on nobody else's platform. You understand? But remember, tell you something. There is more to come. This is just the beginning. And it's not the end. So please, look out for more. Holy more. And it's going to be even worse than this. Remember, this is just the start. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. You know what to do. Do the do. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you continue to watch this channel, why not hit the subscription button? You can find the time to watch this channel. Something sweet you over here. It costs you not even $1 to hit the subscription button. Go ahead and hit the subscription button. Alright? Remember, the young college student, YouTube link is in my description and in my comment section pin. Go ahead, hit the link and hit the word subscribe and give her a subscription. It now costs you $1. Help her to help herself. God same help those that help themselves. Not like cartoon where I look for Lorraine and our program help her. You understand? While our business where she have, where she can sit and manage on her own, she put it aside for social media business and people were better off than her. And when you hit the link and you go up on our YouTube channel, go in the description and you see our website for our business and our Instagram page, you get all the information. Go and support her also. Custom made mugs, tumblers, you know, necklaces, chains, you name it. For all of you people who go to gym, you can get your buckle and your tumblers, customize it to your name. Support her. And remember, you ask for it, you also get it. The link, not the link, the Cash App pin in the comment section also. $ Life is a Mission TV. Support the Mountain Worthy cause. You all hear about it. If you're new, in some other video, you will get an update. Alright? Big up on yourself. Miss Brissett, manners. Manners, Miss Brissett. Yeah. Accept. And I want to big up JJ, Harper, you know, big up Night Nurse, big up J Fabs, who again? Big up Ralph, that's how it's pronounced, Raphael, I think, yeah. Who me I forgot? Oh, somebody that I forgot. But you don't know yourself. Big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. Just continue to support the Mountain Jester. You know? I could see how far we can take it. But for now, we just look on one person. I have the opportunity, based on where I go on so far, probably I can find 2 persons if I get some more help. Because, yeah, I think I cover 1 person already. Yeah. I cover about 1 person already with a little extra left over. So, if we don't continue to do the do, probably can reach out to 2 persons despite I only have 1 person in mind, hoping to see her passing me sometime this week so I can confront her and know what is what and know if okay she's going to be accepted as that person based on what she said, because I don't want a family to come running to me and whatsoever said me expose them this and me expose them that. So anyway people, big up on yourself again. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. But a Zion at work. You understand? Zion at work. I'm out.